Hi everyone, so let's solve this question. Okay, so this question was asked from control system. Okay, again this question was direct. Okay, and it is one of the very easiest question you know will get examination, you can say. Nowadays this kind of questions are being asked where you don't have to worry about anything, just if you know the basics. Okay, so these are the new trends, okay, for the GATE examination. Nowadays, IITs are not testing your, they are testing just your aptitude, whether you know the basics or not, right? So let's see this question. This question is from control system, and you can say BODE plot, okay? The figure here given is BODE plot, right? The asymptotic magnitude BODE plot of a minimum phase system is shown in the figure. The transfer function of the system is given. So they have given transfer function of the system, that is k times of s plus g to the power a upon s to the power b s plus p to the power c, right? Where k, z, p, a, b and c are the positive constant. So we have to find a plus b plus c, right? In the BODE plot, what you have to notice here is that the initial slope, you see here the initial slope they have mentioned here is, if they have mentioned, they have shown here the initial slope, it means that there is a pole at origin. Okay, so this initial slope comes because of pole at origin, right? And that too there is a negative slope, right? This initial slope is given as negative slope, means, and that too minus 20 dB, right? So there should be one pole at origin. Okay, one pole at origin. There is an integrator, you can say. Okay, so for this if you write here s plus g, I don't know the value of a for the moment, but now we know the value of b, because b is equal to 1, because one pole at origin, then only you can get slope minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, now what we can do here is, you see here now after this omega 1, after this corner frequency omega 1, the slope is 0 here, there is a 0 dB, right? So how can you make minus 20 dB slope, the 0 slope, right? So what you can do here is, you can add one 0 here, right? If you add one 0, okay, so what will be there? 0 will produce positive 20 dB slope, right? So positive and minus 20 dB negative will get cancelled. You can say that this a value is going to be 1, right? Okay, again you see there is a minus 40 dB, dB per decade change is there, right? So you have to find the slope changing. Okay, so here from 0 dB we are getting minus 40 dB, okay, per decade. So you can say there will be two poles, okay, two finite poles, you can say. So s plus p, the c value should be 2 here, right? So what they are asking is, they are asking a plus b plus c. So a is going to be 1, b is going to be 1 and c is going to be 2, right? Because of this so you can say two poles, two finite poles, right? Non-zero poles are there. Okay, they are two finite non-zero poles. Okay, and there is a 1 0 which is non-zero finite, you can say. Yeah, so 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4. So answer for this question will be 4. Okay. Again they have mentioned rounded off to nearest integer, so you don't have to worry about all these things, right? So answer for this question will be 4. If you know the basics, you can solve this question, right? So always focus, whenever BODE plot will be given, so always focus on initial slope and how the slope is changing, okay, because of these poles, finite poles and finite zeros, and 0 at origin, 0 at initial slope you will get if there is a pole at origin or 0 at origin. So negative initial slope you will get when there is a pole at origin, and positive initial slope you will get when there is a 0 at origin, right? And depending upon the slope, it is minus 20 dB, means there is one pole at origin. If there is minus 40 dB, so you may say there is a two pole at origin. Okay, like this you have to calculate. So I hope this question, this solution you might have done like this. Okay, so we'll meet in the next session again with some new question. Thank you.